We've seen these large cap indexes notching new highs every day. A lot of folks may not be that concerned if we see a bit of a pullback. Maybe some folks saying it's a little time to take some money off the table today. One of the things people have watched, though, is the small cap Russell 2000, also down again today, along with the big indexes. It's now off about 1.5% for the month here, just in the first 6 trading sessions. As far as tech, the sectors are concerned, tech has been a big winner so far this year and so far this quarter. Today we actually have consumer staples, the retail actually turning around. Biotech has been the big loser, which is off about 6% for the quarter. Healthcare overall has been one of the things that has been under pressure, and as we watch for the Senate's unveiling of its tax bill today, one of the things that a lot of healthcare advocates will be watching for is whether the Senate goes along with the House and tries to get rid of the medical expense deduction. This is a big deal for people who have to pay for long-term care. About 10 million of them use that deduction every year to offset those costs that are not covered by Medicare. Could potentially have an impact for some of those facilities down the line if that happens. Meantime, home builders have been one of the areas that's been under pressure over the potential curbs on the mortgage deduction. But as you mentioned this morning, D.R. Horton's results much better, and the company is also very confident about 2018, raising its outlook for next year, so they don't seem to be concerned about tax reform. More disappointment in retail from Kohl's, as you said, and continues to be a horrible, no good, terrible earnings season overall, but we are seeing a little bit of a bounce. A lot of these retail names have been beaten up quite a bit today. Macy's among the biggest gainers today in that turnaround. Also, we have an IPO that we'll be watching today. It's one of about a dozen Chinese IPOs that going public here in the U.S. Sogu is the #2 mobile search engine in China. They've been taking market share from Baidu, and they are backed by internet powerhouse Tencent. They're priced at the high end of the range at $13 a share, raising more than $500 billion rather. And finally, Taylor Swift is going to be dropping her new album tomorrow, Reputation. And just as the revolution will not be televised, Reputation will not be streamed, guys. So bad news for Pandora. Not sure how long that ban will last, but you're going to have to buy it if you want to listen to it. Amazon and Apple, of course, do have that other revenue stream, if you will. Carl?